What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have a price update, price prediction on Injective protocol, which has been pumping up in value. As you can see, 20% up in the last 24 hours, making it just over $1.80. So most of the pump did come from this afternoon, where it literally went from 151 all the way up to 197, nearly hitting the $2 mark. Has taken a slight dip, but we can see it slowly starting to pump up in value again. So is it time to buy it? Is it time to sell it? Or is it just time to hold on to this crypto? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video. And as usual guys, giving you guys my prediction on this crypto over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can clearly see, we are on the Coinbase website right now. In the last hour itself, Injective has managed to drop just about a percentage. Over the last day, 20%, over the week, 23%, and over the month, 29% up. We can see it slowly and steadily increasing in value. Even though it has been volatile, it has had its dips here and there. Overall, it has been moving towards the positive direction, all up until right now, where it has its major pump up in value. So what is next for this crypto? So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 560% in the last 24 hours, making it $80.6 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Injective. I can see a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype recently. And as you can see here, we've got a price change of 22%. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but I'm just going to hide it for now, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Injective protocol at $1.48. However, it is trading at slightly higher value at 181, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line and the orange line slightly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, but to midday tomorrow, we should expect it to slowly and steadily drop in value. However, that does not mean we're going to be hitting red candles every single hour for the next 12-14 hours. Of course not. We are going to see hours when it's up, when it's gaining value. It's likely to go up back to 190, 195, and then drop back down. It's going to be volatile, but the overall outcome by midday tomorrow seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So yes, I am expecting it to drop below 170, around 160 to 170 by midday tomorrow, fluctuating in between that target. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days are looking quite bullish. We do have the blue line and the orange line heading towards a positive direction, looking a little bit bullish. However, the only reason for that is the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, is going to keep pumping up in value. However, that is not always the case. I am expecting it to take a little dip over the next couple of days. So let's say over the next 7-8 days, so by mid next week, we should expect it to more or less fluctuate at 170 to 180. Again, it is going to increase in value, but dips are always part of the process, so we have to take dips as part of the consideration as well. So yeah, overall, I'm expecting it to more or less fluctuate at the current price range by mid next week, including the dips that are about to take place in between. Now, moving on to the big boy daily chart over the long run, over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking quite smooth and steady. We do have the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and they are not looking too steep either, so they are just about slanting towards the positive direction, which is good news. So by let's say mid-September to late September, we should expect an overall increase in value on Injective protocol, and hopefully we should be able to hit around the $240 to $250 mark around that time. But Obviously, it all depends on how the crypto market performs. The crypto market has not been performing as well as we expected it to in 2022, with major crashes, major dips, so on and so on, with Bitcoin dropping below 20k, literally going from 60k last year all the way down to under 20k, which is absolutely insane. No one really expected that, but it is what it is. It's cryptocurrency, is a volatile market. Crashes do take place and pumps do take place as well. So to make it easier for you guys, what I have done is made a Telegram group chat where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, on what to expect, what to predict, what price target is likely to hit, and also show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. I'm mainly focused on Bitcoin in that group chat. Only reason for that is most cryptos out there do follow a similar pattern to Bitcoin. So if you guys want to take part, the link to my Telegram is in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, because after that it will increase to $29.99. And guys, over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to this value here and before this discount code expires. So what does this subscription exactly include? You're going to get put into two group chats. The first one is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The second one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily updates and predictions on Bitcoin, as you can clearly see here, and I give you guys analysis and predictions on other cryptos that you guys request for in the group chat. Any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, the link is again in the description box down below. And now back to Injective. So as you guys can clearly see, we are trading in the red zone, and not only are we trading in the red zone, but we are in the lower part of the red zone. So for us to hit the green zone, we're gonna have to hit at least $9.68, which we are too far away from at the moment. We're gonna have to go through at least about a good 500 to 600% increase for us to hit that, which I'm not expecting from Injective protocol anytime soon. So most of this year and potentially most of next year as well is very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone, but that doesn't matter, guys. All that matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in a positive direction, we should be good for the long run. So hopefully this time next year to late next year we should be able to hit the green zone. But again, it depends not just on Injective but the whole crypto market in general, with major drops and major peaks and so on and so on. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Injective protocol, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also I just want to say a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and a special thank you to every single one of you who have especially been subscribing and following me on Instagram, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.